I'm getting ready to go off on a trip that's going to be 4,000 to 5,000 miles. Since the trip is such a long distance, I'm going to change the oil before I leave and after I get back, just as a preventative. And I have not removed the T-Rex skid plate from the bike yet, so I'm going to remove it and put it back on and see how much of a pain in the butt it is to deal with, because it's kind of hard to line it up the first time. So let's get to it. So I'm just going to grab my 5 here. Since these pivot down in the back, I figure the best place to start is in the front. So I can drop the front ones and pivot them down. Same thing on the other side. All right, let's move the back ones. Grab our 12. Remember that this side has a spacer on the inside, so we want to make sure we capture that on the way down. Right there. And this side, once we drop it, it's going to want to drop the pan. This side has a washer on the inside, so we want to grab that too. Quick oil change later. Now we can try to put this guy back on. We're going to do this in the opposite order where we took it off. We're just going to pop the rear one on first so we can lift up the nose. Remember, the right side has the spacer on it. I like to run these on by hand. If you're having trouble lining those bolts up, you might need to loosen the bolt next to them so that you can slide that cap back and forth and adjust it. Leave it a little loose so we got some play in the nose. So this side, remember, has a washer on the inside, and it's really hard to get that washer in there behind this while it's under tension. So what I'm going to do is put the washer in there and see if I can just put the plate up on it. Yep, and then just... Now we'll put the nose bolts on. And we just lift our plate up. Remember, the front ones have a washer on them, and that lined right up. This is the part I was worried about right here, was the fronts. We'll leave that a little loose, just in case the other side needs some back and forth swap. Now, in theory, this one's already mostly lined up. Loosen the other side a little more. There we go. That is it. Just gotta run around and tighten everything up. So what I was actually worried about were the front ones, only because they were a little difficult the first time to put them on and line everything up, but everything is still locked in place. That T-Rex plate adds maybe 5-10 minutes onto the job, and that's being excessive. That was with me filming. So it's a couple minutes, 4 bolts. That's it. Love it so far. I'll let you know how I feel after a couple thousand miles with it on there. Keep your wheels down, ride safe.